Concept development is like building a house. You need to build a strong foundation to make sure it lasts for years to come. We start every project with a kickoff meeting with our design and engineering team. We brainstorm together your ideas and focus on really understanding your idea. The meeting can either be done in person or virtual, and the goal is to talk about your idea and fully understand what you're trying to create and your unique project goals. The next step is research and development. Our team begins researching and studying your competition so that we can help you gain a competitive advantage and that our product that we created together will stand out. We can also define your targeted retail price, which is very important so that we can then work our way backwards to better understand the production cost so that you can make the markups necessary on your project. In the conceptual sketching phase, we apply what we learned from our research and conceptualize, also known as visualizing, these potential ideas and aesthetics for your product. We always give you options and we work together to pick the best direction. If you decide you want to protect your idea to give you additional competitive advantage, we can also help you do that. After selecting your desired direction, we'll still have one layer of refinement that we typically do, adding yours and the Lime Designs team's feedback to help refine your concept. So if you're ready to get your project started, click out the link below on the Get Quotes. We will get in touch with you within 24 to 48 hours to help you start taking your idea from just a scratch on a napkin all the way to a final manufactured product.